Hey there, welcome back to East Texas Live on KETK. We have a dentist with us, Dr. Josh Graffenried with the Tyler Center for Dental Health. He's back in studio with us talking about dental implants. First off, why would someone need dental implants, Josh?
Yeah, so we say implants reconnect you with something you're missing. So it might be the confidence of a smile, it might be the ability to chew, anything where you've lost a tooth or teeth that then makes it harder to do normal life. That's what's going to need an implant.
So when people are thinking about getting a dental implant, is there a negative aspect to them delaying getting that implant?
For sure. So when you don't replace a tooth, all of the things that would have supported the tooth begin to collapse. So the bone goes away, the teeth tend to shift and collapse, and that can lead to collapse in bite, collapse in face, so that it changes kind of how appearances look too. So all those things over time kind of combine together to make things look worse.
Can you take advantage of dental implants if you're already wearing dentures?
For sure. Dental implants are a great thing for denture wearers. You know, most people are aware that dentures have a hard time staying put. They're harder to chew with. And so anytime we can provide some anchorage, whether that's getting a denture that'll snap into some implants or even a denture that's screwed onto implants that doesn't come in and out, that can really improve somebody's life.
So what's the difference between you, a guy that focuses on implants, and just regular dentists who maybe haven't had extra training in that area?
Sure. So most dentists will do some of the work with implants, but often they'll send some of the work out to a surgeon, versus what I can do is do all of that work in the office. So I've been fortunate to have some advanced training to receive some credentials that involved hours of classroom work and then presenting cases before an exam to earn those credentials that basically bring the level of care up to a level where we can really take care of patients all in one place.
Do you guys have any sort of special offers? I don't know if y'all do Christmas specials or a 2-for-1 implant deal? Yeah,
right now actually I think we have an offer for a free consultation and a free x-ray to evaluate what your options would be.
Oh man, and the technology has grown by leaps and bounds from what x-rays used to be to what you guys are doing now.
Yeah, so at this point now we can virtually do the surgery on the computer before we ever get into somebody's mouth, and then we know what we're looking at and know what we're prepared for.
Yeah, and do you guys still hand sculpt the teeth, or are they made by some sort of 3D printing machine or whatnot?
Yeah, so there is a 3D kind of process. It's typically like a CNC milling kind of process, but it produces really nice results.
All right, well thank you, Dr. Josh. If you're interested, go to the Tyler Dental Center for Health.com, Tyler Dental Center for Dental Health.com.